application of chemistry. If I will define with you application of chemistry, so many applications are there in our nature. Similarly, in our daily life, students, but now I am going to explain only those which are given in your NCERT and very important according to your examination. Okay, so now the application of chemistry, first one is use in medicine. Use in medicine. One is the for AIDS, that is HIV. It is given azithromycin, drug that is used for medicine is known as the azithromycin. Similarly, cancer. This is the cisplatin and Taxol. These are the medicine used for treat the AIDS and cancer. Similarly, student, antipyretic drug. Antipyretic. What do you mean by antipyretic? Antipyretic, it means drug that lowers the temperature of body. Lowers the temperature of body is known as the antipyretic drug. For example, paracetamol. All of you listen about that. It is very common medicine that is used for what? That is used for the lowering body temperature. Similarly, analgesic drug. So what is the meaning of analgesic drug? The meaning of analgesic drug means that relief from the pain. Those drugs which relieve from the pain is known as the what? Analgesic drug. For example, analgesic drugs are diclofenac, sodium, aspirin. Next one is tranquilizer. Those drugs which relieve tension without mental confusion. Is known as tranquilizer. For example, the name of tranquilizer is Equanil. etc. So many items. Such type, all medicines that are prepared for different diseases are formed by the use of chemistry. Okay, next, insecticides and pesticides. Insecticides and pesticides. Insecticides and pesticides. So, insecticide means those chemical substances which kill insect is known as insecticides. Those chemical substances that kill pest is known as the pesticides. So best example for insecticide is VHC, when benzene CO2 at 500 degrees Celsius, we will get that benzene hexachloride. Similarly, another one is the DDT, diphenyl trichloroethane. It is prepared by the reaction of chloral with chlorobenzene. This is the chloral, this is the chlorobenzene. So removal of water will takes place. And the formation of DDT, CCl, ClCl, CH. This is the chlorobenzene and chlorobenzene. So this is called DDT, diphenyl trichloroethane. So these are the insecticide and pesticides. Okay. Similarly, chemistry can also be used to prepare the soap and detergents. Also used to prepare soap and detergent. All of you know about the soap. Soap is the sodium and potassium salts of long chain fatty acids. And detergent. Detergents are ammonium and sulfonate salts of long chain fatty acid. Similarly, used as fertilizer. All of you know, example of fertilizer is urea, N2CO CONH2, calcium phosphate, calcium phosphate, calcium phosphate, Ca3PO4 whole twice, etc. Similarly, it is also used it is used to prepare freezing agent, used to prepare freezing agent. For example, CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Nowadays it is restricted because responsible for because it is responsible for what? It is responsible for ozone depletion. Used to prepare polymer, used to prepare polymer. So, as you know, very important polymer, polythene used to prepare polybags, so it is known as the polythene. How can it is formed? CH2 double bond CH2. This is ethene. You have listened about that in the class 10. Ethene, heated, pressure, high pressure, formation of CH2, single bond CH2, double N. This is the ethene and this is the polythene. Teflon, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, PVC. So these are the fuses of chemistry. You can understand that chemistry can be used in various places. Okay, such like to form the reagent, such like to form the paste, fabrics, tires, and automobile oils, fuels, hydrogen fuel. This is the petrol, LPG, CNG. These all are depend on the chemistry. These all are prepared by the use of chemistry. Must we remember that only chemistry is not responsible to prepare that, but main role in the preparation of these all things of the chemistry. Okay, so these are the use of chemistry, few uses of chemistry that are related to the NCERT.